Yeah, welcome back, guys. In this video tutorial, I'll be telling you how to get started with your first HTML program. So, to start writing your HTML program, all you need is a text editor, and you could start by using the notepad notepad that comes with your system, but I wouldn't recommend you to do so. You could just go into your browser and search for some awesome text editors like Notepad++, um, Sublime Text, Visual Studio Code, amongst others. For me, I will be using Brackets. It's one of my favorites. So let's get started. So what we do, okay, let's open the brackets. We're going to create our project. So let's create a folder on the desktop that will contain the project we'll be working on. So we should name it HTML. Okay, so now here is our bracket. Let's create our file. So we open new. Okay, then we save it, Ctrl S, and save into the directory xhtml. So we'll call it index.html. Now, as you can see, this has an extension name of .html, which signifies it is a web file. So we save it. Okay, now you can see. So to write HTML language or programs, one thing you should note is the format in which HTML comes. That's the HTML tags. HTML tags comes in tag name, then this is my type HTML. Okay, now the type HTML shows you that this tells the browser that okay, this file we are writing is a HTML5 website. So there are different versions, and this is the latest version of HTML till now. We had HTML 2.0, 4.01, but this is the latest, and this is the one we all use these days. So okay, the next one, we get on with the HTML tag. That will be HTML. Okay, so now the HTML tag, now this one is the root element whereby all other codes you'll be writing will be embedded into this HTML tag. That is, all the codes you'll be writing for your website will be inside this HTML tag. So let's create another one. This will be called, this is the header tag, head. Fine. So now the HTML tag is basically the HTML is divided into two tags, or two parts. We have the header section. It's divided into two sections. I mean, we have the header section, and we have the head section and the body section. Body. Oh, what's wrong with me? Body. Yeah. So now this head section, now all it does is it interacts with the head part of the website and adds meta to the website. So the head section, it contains meta information that you'll be using in your website. Then the body section is where all the content in which you are writing will be displayed. So now let's save it, open our file in the browser. Okay, saying? What's wrong? Come on. Okay, this is the HTML folder. We open it, and this is our file, index.html. So we send it to the browser. Okay. Wow. You see, as you can see, it's a blank page. So I don't like the way this is displaying here. So I guess we should just change the title of the website. So in this header section now, we are going to change the title of that website. So we write title, bam. What do we write? Pineapples. Save it and we refresh our browser. Wow, you can see it has changed. So now, basically, one thing I forgot telling you is that HTML defines the structure of the website. HTML, it stands, it's an acronym that stands for Hypertext Markup Language. I should have said this at the beginning, but I skipped my mind. So it defines the structure of the web page you'll be building. So it shows the building blocks of these web pages, and they are being represented by tags. Okay, so with that being said, as you can see, we've changed the header of the website or web page by using the title tag. So one thing again, we'll change. No, I wouldn't say change. I would like to add a header tag. Let's say we use header 1. We'll be coming right back to this header section. I just want to show you something. This is my header. Okay, header, save it, and boom, we have it on our website or on our web page. So okay, so that's how the HTML works. It shows you the structure you have to follow to get your website done. So okay guys, see you in the next tutorials.